This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to do body surface area calculations online. So if you want to do this for yourself or maybe for a client, I like to use this calculator right here at calculator.net/body surface area calculator.html. Now that's quite a long URL, so I'll put that as a link in the video description. Click that and you'll find yourself here. So we've got this, as the instruction tells us here, the BSA, the body surface area. The calculator below computes the total surface area of a human body referred to as body surface area, which is the BSA. So it essentially says that there are a few different methods and formulas to do this, and you can actually read about these right here if you want to see the maths of the different formulas. So we can do a male or a female. Let's do a male for this one. We will say we can do pounds, kilograms and grams, depending on the kind of age of the person. There's obviously a breakdown here of the different age groups and estimations. So let's say they are 190 pounds, and we'll say they stand at 6'2". So that's feet and inches, or you can do in centimeters. We will hit calculate, and just like that, we get the 8 different formulas here and the measurements there. So obviously this isn't meant to be sort of like scientifically absolutely accurate. You'll put in your own or a client's body weight and height in there, so obviously you can measure that ahead of time, but these are estimations and are meant to be completely kind of scientifically provable, I guess. But if you're looking to do body surface area calculations for whatever reason, this is the site that you need to do. The good thing about this site as well is it's not littered with a ton of adverts. You get like tons of ads sometimes, like kind of littered around, and it just obscures the contents. This is nice and clean, which is what we like to see. If you found this video useful on body surface area calculations, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like